jacket?
You want a sweatshirt?
No, okay. It wasn't that cold when we left the house.
No.
It wasn't that cold when we were sitting out here. Oh, I mean, I'm still fine, but.
It wasn't until the storm rolled up on top of us.
Yeah, that was so weird. I got windy and then the air got cool.
Whoa, that's cool.
Ooh,
Whoa.
Dad, did you get that one, Dad?
What day you gotta work tomorrow, Ruth?
8 till 4:30.
We missed the chuck roast at Ralph's. They might have it at one of the other stores.
Yeah.
Whoa, that was cool.
How they let their dog in.
Better
He
yet,
had a hard time to fry.
They have boneless, skinless chicken breasts, Albertsons, $1.99 a pound.
That's what I
Starts
just got at
tomorrow.
Staters.
Oh,
today.
you
It
did?
was
Oh,
$1.99.
$1.
And whenever it lights up, it just looks like a wall of water coming down over there. It's just
Oh, really?
whenever it lights up.
You have to look on the other side of the house?
No, just look in that direction right there. You can just see the rain coming way out there.
Yeah, I saw it. Can you tell him to be quiet?
How big is it?
I shouldn't have
Not much.
a clue. How big?
Awful lot of stuff in there.
You want it out.
You just ran with you. Come on.
Oh my god, Tara, can you be quiet?
Where's Lexi?
What'd you do with Lex? Hey, Lex!
She's inside your gaming room.
Oh,
Chewing on a bone. Huge bone.
Where's Lexi?
Come on, look.
Next time
Where's your-
I'm fine. What'd you do with your girlfriend? Where's your girlfriend?
There she is. Come on,
There she
Lexi.
is. There's
girl.
Lexi. There's Lexi. There's Lexi. Hi, dude.
Reminds me of that
Say hi, girl.
when you're on the Pirates of the Caribbean ride, the haunted ship.
Oh
Say
yeah.
hi,
With the
boo.
lightning in the background.
Say hi, boo. I love you, Blue. Say I love you, Blue.
Feels good.
She's looking for bugs.
it doesn't really attract them off, that light.
I was running
No.
from Blue and I went inside your bedroom.
And it's
And
not
I
that
went into the
much
bathroom.
right
Blue
now.
checked like on the side of the bed.
Because it's
That's because like where they usually go.
Yeah.
Then he went to the other side of the bedroom.
Yeah.
And he always gets it because he's like,
I don't know, I turned
then he
on that
starts going like that,
porch
and I
light
laugh
last
so
night
much
and
he
it came
comes
off on
after
that.
me. That's what stinks. Ready, Blue? Go get him.
Well, fireworks is over.
It is?
Well, for over us, that is.
Oh, yeah.
Which is good.
They'll probably come back. Whatever, down the hill. Come up here now.
Well, this Lowe's in this counterclockwise motion. Doing this.
Yeah.
At least it's stopping raining.
Better not. I should have my power on tonight when I watch my Dancing with the Stars.
Oh yeah. What time
I'm
is
gonna be mad.
it? 8 or 9?
No.
What's that girl's name?